What's that? NBA DBB number, let me quick check. 39, DBB 39. And that is a box of 2016-17 Court Kings basketball. This is random team break. Every spot gets 3 random teams. Good luck, guys. Here is a team random. Snake Eyes is reroll. We are going 7 times. Good luck, guys. Here are the teams. 1, 2. Before I forget, the old Charlotte Hornets go to the Charlotte Hornets in this one, so not to the Pelicans like in 2012 and 13. 4, 5, 6, and nice and 5 time. Good luck, guys. Here are your teams. We have the Thunder on top and the Blazers at the bottom. Put that into our list. Alright, guys, here are your teams. Teams are on the right. I'm not gonna read through them all. It would take too long, so that are your teams. The big teams in 16-17 is Sixers with Ben Simmons. Sixers is who has Sixers? Where are they? Bartosz has Sixers. Warriors also do Bartosz. Thunder, Christoph. Lakers is Jörg. Cavs Jörg. Minnesota is Christoph. Alright, guys. Good luck. 1 box of Court Kings basketball 2016-17. Alright, box topper first. I'll only send the box topper if it's autographed, guys. I hope that's alright. Let's see. It is Detroit Pistons. It is Reggie Jackson for the Pistons. Reggie Jackson box topper. Detroit Pistons is Sergio. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Last 2 should be base. Alright, here we go. Base is Giannis, Jimmy Butler, Wesley Matthews. We got LeBron. We got first hit Malik Beasley. Nice rookie for the Denver Nuggets. That is a rookie 1 for the Denver Nuggets. Good rookie. We have another rookie, Isaiah Whitehead for the Nets. And that is rookie number 2. We have nice hit Kyrie Irving for the Cavaliers. 33 of 175. Kyrie Irving. And we got a Maestros. And that is nice. Devin Booker. Not numbered for the Suns. We got a hit to 199. And that is Scottie Pippen for the Bulls. Also nice hit. Scottie Pippen for the Chicago Bulls to 199. Who has the Bulls? Chicago Bulls is Christoph. And the autograph is going to, it's number to 199, 15 of 199. It's a rookie for the Houston Rockets. It is Onuaka. Fresh paint autograph. It's a nice looking card. Houston Rockets. Where have the Rockets? Houston Rockets is going to Jörg. Jörg Gottschalk. That's it for the box already. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.